Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the T-Life app in 2025. Whether you are a beginner or just curious about its new features, I'll walk you through the app step by step and highlight the best tools you should know about. Stick around till the end so you do not miss some hidden gems inside T-Life. What is T-Life? So, what exactly is the T Life app? In simple terms, it is a lifestyle companion that lets you manage bills, track health, enjoy entertainment, or access exclusive offers depending on its focus. In 2025, T Life has become super popular because it brings multiple everyday services into one clean, user friendly platform. Getting started. First things first, once you download the application, you will create your own account or log in if you already have one. The setup is quick and you can even connect it with your phone number, email, or social login. After that, the app personalizes your dashboard based on your preferences. Best features. Now let's jump into the best features of T-Life. Number one, the dashboard overview. The homepage is clean, giving you instant access to your most used services. Feature 1, for example, paying bills, booking services, or managing subscriptions in one tap. Feature 2, lifestyle perks like exclusive discounts, loyalty rewards, or partner deals. Feature 3, health and wellness tools such as activity tracking, appointment booking, or reminders. Feature 4, entertainment integration. Whether that is streaming, event booking, or digital content. Feature 5, a smart assistant or AI powered recommendations that make navigating daily life saver. What I really like is that everything is centralized. Instead of switching between multiple apps, you can manage most of your day to day tasks right here inside T Life. Tips and tricks. Here are a few quick tips. Customize your dashboard so only the features you use appear on top. Enable notifications for bill reminders or exclusive deals. You do not want to miss out. Explore the Settings tab to connect your payment options and save time during checkout. And that is it, your Quick T Life app tutorial for 2025. Honestly, it is one of the most convenient apps for managing your lifestyle all in one place. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and let me know down below in the comments which feature of T-Life you are most excited about. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review video.